So this is Fairfield, Interstate 45.
Mile mark 200.
Wow. It's an Amazon truck. Just happened?
I don't know. It looks like it's been caked out there for a while.
Wow, these tires. Oh, he got chains in there.
This is awesome.
Accident? Oh, it's a
Makes it
truck
kind of
over there.
attempt at a strap. I think more than one ended up getting into it.
So this is Fairfield, Interstate 45.
Mile mark 200. Come on, let's be specific. There's a lot of stuff off on the side there. Car got into it too. There's a car behind.
Yeah.
Oh, he crushed it. I can't tell if that was a fire underneath the bottom of his trailer or if he went over the top of the vehicle and is sitting on top of the vehicle.
And there's another accident over there on the side of that truck. See that?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna be sitting there for a long time, guys.
They're just out there outside chit-chatting over there.
Oh, what is going on? Obviously, there's an accident. Well, guys, not to mention, you're not only battling on the icy road when you travel, but also because of the rain, sleet, and also it is very windy outside.
this Alma Loves Travel Center or truck stop, they're closed, guys. Today, February 17, 2021, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And the other guy also in my side a while ago, he's asking if they are open. And I said, no, it's not. Wow, this is very icy in here.
Not too bad.
So the other truck drivers in here that are stuck in here, there's nowhere to get any food if you don't have food in the truck.
No fuel
No fuel.
because the pumps are down.
Yeah.
Bye, Smokehouse Barbecue.